Hello, welcome back to my kitchen, where I share simple recipes and natural tips to help your mind, heart, and body every day. Today, we're making one of my favorite sides. It's broiled lemon asparagus. It's quick, it's easy, it's bursting with flavor and packed with nutrients. Whether you're making a weekend dinner or need a healthy side for a gathering, this one is a total crowd pleaser. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk about why asparagus is such a powerhouse veggie. Asparagus is rich in fiber, vitamin C, folate, and antioxidants. It supports healthy digestion, can help balance blood sugar, and it's great for reducing inflammation in the body. It's also a natural diuretic, helping your body detox gently and naturally. And of course, we're adding in lemon essential oil, which is known to support detox, boost mood, and also support metabolism. Just a few drops and so much flavor without any additives or artificial ingredients. So here's how you make this delicious, zesty, broiled lemon asparagus. Start with a bunch of fresh asparagus. Wash it well and then trim off the ends. Place the asparagus on a cookie sheet and sprinkle it with sea salt. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of avocado oil with 4 to 5 drops of CPTG Lemon essential oil. Drizzle the oil mixture over the asparagus. Pop the tray under the broiler on high for 5 to 7 minutes. But keep a close eye on it. You want the asparagus to be tender but not burnt. Serve it warm and watch how fast it disappears. This is the kind of recipe that makes healthy eating easy and delicious. And it's a perfect example of how essential oils can be used in everyday cooking to enhance flavor and support your health. If you're looking for more natural ways to boost your energy, clear your mind, and just feel your best, I have something for you. You're welcome to grab my free guide, 5 metabolic hacks for energy, mental clarity, and more. Look for that link below. And if you want to try the same lemon essential oil I used in this recipe, you'll find that link below too. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Share it with a friend who loves healthy, simple meals. We'll talk to you guys next time.